Hi there everyone and welcome to my channel. Thank you for dropping by, and I have part 3 of my Rosie Studio unboxing haul video. It's going to be a 4-parter because I've underestimated the amount of stuff that I bought and the length of time that it takes to film it all, so I've gone ahead and actually taken 4 paper pads out of the wrappers so that I wasn't crinkling loads of paper while I was looking through. And let's go through them, and I've got another 5 12 by 12 paper pads to share with you once I've done this one. So here goes. So this is Celebrate You, and it's 180 GSM weight of paper, and it's 20 sheets, 20 designs and 3 foiled pages. So let's go. First page, love it. It's really pretty, little stars. So I'm just going to flick through them. This is a decent weight. This is a different weight to what the 6x6 paper pads are. These are quite nice. I like this one when it was in the 6x6. That would do for a wedding card as well. Okay, so that was the first one. This one is called Beautiful Dreamer. That's pretty. So there's that and that. This is actually upside down. There we go. Newsprint. Florals. That's actually like a map. Butterflies. That's a nice, clean, crisp cardstock. Not cardstock, pattern paper, that one. Three cats. And butterflies. And kind of gold stars. And a starburst. So I'm going to take these ones out the way. And just sort that. So let's get those out the way. Put those over there. And these are a couple of Christmas stacks. So this is all wrapped up. That's foiled. I'm just trying to save my voice a little bit. Well, that's quite cool. It actually looks like real wood for my next video. Because if I talk too much, then I struggle breathing. So that is all wrapped up. Again, that's a nice stack. Put that to the side. I'm excited about this one, Hearth and Home, because this really caught my eye when I bought it. So a nice floral, a nice wood grain, houses, plaid. That's nice. This is gold foiled, polka dots. It's kind of like a buffalo check. That's nice. Music notes. You're getting a good variety of different patterned papers in these. I like that, and I like that. And that's kind of scripty that I'm not supposed for, but I'll use it. Okay, so that was Hearth and Home, and what I'll do is I will come back in a minute with my next video with the next 5 paper pads, and I'll flick through them. So thank you for watching. If there's anything you want me to go through or any questions, pop it in the comments below and I'm happy to answer questions. And I'll see you shortly with the next video.